Hey, I'm Marty Cochran. I'm from CAST. We're here showing off BlackTrax at ISE 2020. We're showing off a bunch of different integrations here. We're kind of showing how BlackTrax can be used in all sorts of different applications for the live entertainment, broadcast, and interactive industries. So just going from left to right here, we have spatial audio on the left. Wherever someone moves around the space, SPAT, Revolution, and Adamson speakers are sending that position to the appropriate loudspeaker, which is pretty cool so that it sounds like the voice is coming from where they are. To the right of that, we have just an MA console integrated in with a Luminex network node and switches, and that's powering all of our lighting tracking. So we can point lights at people, turn them on and off based on where people are, and do all sorts of cool, fun beam sizing and things like that. Next one over here is our broadcast and converge setup and our brand new Helios beacon. This is for all of your PTZ camera tracking needs. We're showing off the Panasonic 8K ROI to be able to crop specific images, and then be able to track handheld cameras so you get lens data, position data, all from one solution, and be able to send that to servers such as the Disguise Media server, which we're showing over here. And this is used for things such as the smart stage that White Light has helped create, and you can use the Helios data with the PTZ data to create an AR studio. So you can have objects combined with our mini beacons, combined with our classic beacons, to be able to find where things are and have things happen in real time in your smart stage for the broadcast industry, which is pretty cool. So we have all these different integrations happening on our booth, showing off all the different possibilities you can use BlackTrax for. And if you've missed us here at ISE, check out our website at blacktrax.ca.